Hi everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to unlock night mode like a pro with the Turn Off the Lights browser extension, and it's going to change the way you browse forever. Here's how you activate night mode using the Turn Off the Lights extension, and it's super easy. First, click twice on the gray lamp button in your browser, not once, twice. Double tap. Now you'll see a mini panel. Click the second icon, that's the Night Mode tab. Right here, you can enable night mode and even customize the colors in real time. But wait, if you're on a local file like something on your C drive, you might notice night mode doesn't show up yet. No stress, here's the fix. Click the little puzzle piece icon in your Chrome toolbar, then click Manage Extensions. Boom, you're in the secret menu. Find the Turn Off the Lights extension, smash that Details button, scroll down and look for Allow Access to File URLs, and enable the switch. Now refresh your local file page and boom, the night mode switch is there. With just one click, your page transforms into beautiful, eye-saving darkness. If this saved your eyeballs, smash that like button and join the dark side. See you next time. Bye.